The founder series is me and hopefully other founders just sharing the answers to three questions. What was difficult? What was good? And what did we learn from the previous week? And hopefully this helps somebody else. So what I'm finding very difficult at the moment is we brought on Selby to do the sales stuff. We've got a product that is in two speeds at the moment. There's things that we're building for the main use cases we're trying to solve, but then there's also the basic stuff that we want to use as well. And the problem is, because of the two different speeds, some of the basic stuff is not working to the level that I would want to be to commercially sell it. But we need to focus between the two on balancing the needs of each one to get it done. So it's quite frustrating because we're so close, but we're not quite there yet. And it's just keeping going in order to get there. The main good thing for me is that whenever I talk to somebody about what we're doing and I show them a demo of what we're doing, and I'm very conscious of the sort of mom test book and how you take feedback, I feel like we're on the right track and I'm getting the right sort of traction with the people we've shown the product to. So I think we're getting there. So I keep that as the positive, and I keep using that as energy to carry on. And it's just a matter of time. And I think that's the good thing too, is that we're constantly improving, and we're not just doing little incremental improvements. We're doing big leaps forward in what we're doing. So I feel like we're on the right track. Well, I think the lesson is it goes back to trying to keep the vision clear and simple. So instead of trying to build the Rolls Royce every time, just cutting it back to what do you actually need right now. So if I look at some of the functionality we've been putting in, we're stripping it back to the essentials, and we're looking at usability as a primary thing.